Hello ladies and gentlemen, YesXZeke here again today with ProxyForge in collaboration with Make Print Not War to bring you a quick tutorial. And this is one that is especially near and dear to my heart. If you know me, you'll know why. It's how to remove really bad built-in supports. So this has been saved as an STL and therefore these supports are permanent. However, there is a very easy way to get around this if you get Netfabb. So Netfabb is not a free program. But you can download it. If you get the trial, it just never expires, or at least none of the settings you need expire. So it is one of the most useful programs in 3D printing. It is the best at repairing that we can get as a consumer. So go and pick that up. And it also does this. So if you pick the model here and just head to Modify and go to Edit Shells and extract shells manually, it will kind of take you to a repair window. Navigating this repair area can be a bit confusing, so this is the main part of the tutorial, however long it is. So here you can see I can go into shell view, and in the shell view I can see all of these very identical shells with 480 and 60 and as low as 2 triangles. So this is a very clear sign that they are all not part of the model and that they are all supports, because supports are all very small, very simple, and don't have many triangles. So just shift click, get all those, hit delete, and then the program will freak out for a while, won't let you click anything, and we'll wait. This happens in a lot of 3D software. Most 3D software is very intensive. Depending on your computer, you may actually have to stop and let this run for like 40-50 minutes, but probably not. I'm guessing this is going to take more like 1 or 2 minutes. Oh, there we go. Remove selected shells? Yes. Okay, perfect. So it's still loading. One more step. There we go. Then apply repair. Remove old part. And then it should apply the repair, which in terms of repair, all I did was take away all the supports. And there we go. Now there are a bunch of little dots in the air here. I don't know what that's all about. That doesn't usually happen. So I'm going to once again go into this and clean it up. That's a lot of floating dots. I know there's programs that will do that for me. That was probably actually the second island that I saw. That was kind of an irregular number, and it was probably another thing to do with supports. So I just forgot to erase one of them. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the episode. If you did, please do like, comment, subscribe, and please do support us on our Patreon. That's how I'm hoping to get these videos made, and it's how I'm hoping to pay the educators that I'm eventually hoping to get on to teach us stuff. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.